Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today it's Christmas series episode number 6. So I would like to share with you a project. This year I decided to make my own Christmas banner. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is probably going to be a little bit hard to see, but what I did was I made this banner. This is the J for joy, a tree, O, the deer, the little Y, and the polar bear. So this banner, I'm gonna tell you, let me see if you guys can see on the camera. It's kind of like hard to see, but I will show you a picture of how it will look hanging in one of the walls of my craft room. See if you guys can see a little bit. Maybe I should come a little bit closer. So for this banner, I bought a $3 banner at Target. They were selling these in the dollar spot. They're kind of like a round shape. And I use paper collections from this Holiday Bash recollections pad, and it's for the trees. And these polka dots, I use another paper collection from Holly Jolly Pebbles. And all these chipboard were from the Snow Cocoa and Falala collection from crepe paper that I had from last year. And also I use for the letters J-O-Y, I use the Merry Days crepe paper collection. And the banner is, let's take a look at the first one. It's quite simple. Chipboard from Falala collection. All these are from Falala collection. And here I glue the Walmart ribbon. This section, I didn't want to shape it that way because I wanted to keep things quite interesting. So I use a doily. I handmade this doily with a envelope that I received from one of my participants. I hosted last month a memory dex card Christmas thing giveaway, so I received this envelope and I reuse it. So, and I have the die for this doily, and these are the regular doilies that you can get at different brands. This other one, again, use the paper doilies, Falala collection chipboard tree, more Falala chipboards, the Hallmark tool, and same thing, doilies, handmade doilies, another scallop circle, and the chipboard from Merry Days collection. On this other one, paper, doily, and Falala collection, more Falala collection, and the ribbon from Walmart. This other one, the same thing, paper, doilies, handmade doilies, a scallop circle, and the chipboard from Merry Days. And my last one is paper from the Recollection paper pad, doily, Snow and Cocoa chipboard, snow and cocoa chipboard. So this is the final product. Nothing too elaborated. I'm not stitching anything, just gluing. And this is a great idea if you are in the hunt for banners. You can make your own banner using your supplies. And the banner cost me only $3 at the Target dollar spot. And I saved the banner. So the banner is 72 inches long and it only cost me $3. So, and then I use all my materials to put together this banner. So I'm going to show you the banner displayed in one of the walls in my craft room so you guys can see the whole picture. As I mentioned in my previous videos, my craft room decor, it's pink, gold, white, and red. So let's go ahead and I'm going to take you to the wall. So here's the banner. Let's take a close look at it. I know I put scotch tape there. I'm being lazy. And then this other section. And so this is the banner hanging on the wall. So let's take a look at the banner one more time. And this is it. If you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.